For the best price, click the link in the description. I'm about to spill some beans on the Tramontina 5.5-Qt Enameled Dutch Oven. You might want to sit down for this. But here's what surprised me. I ordered one a while back thinking it'd be my dream kitchen companion, but boy was I wrong. It looked amazing in the pics, all that enameled goodness and a price tag that didn't break the bank. My expectations were high, therefore my excitement levels were through the roof. However, after using it for a few meals, things started to go south. Literally, the lid became stuck, food was getting scorched on the bottom, this thing was turning into a nightmare. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this guy just being picky, or is there really something wrong with Tramontina? Well, let me tell you, I've done my research and it's not just me. There are plenty of other users out there who have had similar issues with this enameled beast. So what makes the Tramontina 5.5-Qt Enameled Dutch Oven so problematic? Let's dive in and find out. Act 1. The problem. The first issue I noticed was how heavy it was. I mean, seriously heavy. Now, you might think that's a good thing, but trust me, it made it a real pain to lift onto the stovetop or in out of storage. It's like trying to wrestle an alligator and lose, but there's more. The enameled coating starts chipping after just a few uses. I mean, what kind of quality control is this? Don't get me wrong, I love a good non-stick surface as much as the next guy, but this one's got some serious durability issues. And let's not forget about the lid. It's supposed to be a nice, easy-to-use design, but in reality, it becomes stuck after just a few cycles of heating-cooling. Imagine trying to cook a meal while wrestling with a stubborn lid. I don't wish that on my worst enemy. Act 2. The research. I dug deeper into reviews and forums to see if I was the only one experiencing these issues. And guess what? I wasn't alone. There are countless complaints about the Tramontina Dutch Oven's performance, durability, and ease of use. One user even mentioned that it became unusable after just a year or so. That's not exactly what you want to hear when you're investing in a kitchen essential. It got me thinking, is this really worth the risk? But I'm not here to just bash on Tramontina. There are some redeeming qualities, but let's be real, they're few and far between. Act 3. The conclusion. So what's the verdict? Well, based on my experience and research, I'd say it's a hard no from me. Yes, it looks great in the pictures, but that's where the magic ends. It's heavy, chippy, and prone to lid-sticking issues, not exactly what you want in your kitchen. If you're still thinking of buying this thing, do yourself a favor and take a step back. There are plenty of other options out there that won't leave you feeling like you've been Tramontina-tricked. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description below. Trust me, your wallet and taste buds will thank you.